going?
What?
Yeah.
We gotta stop because there's a stop sign. Right there, you see it? STOP spells. No, it spells go, doesn't it? Oh, I tried to trick you, but you didn't fall for it.
The green garage. Everything is automated. All the lights in the office.
It's 10:17.
Because either
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Look at all the buses, Cora.
Look at all the buses. Wow.
Stop
and the air inside the garage is recycled every 20 minutes. The lighting inside the garage is actually brighter than the light outside.
Oh no!
In the last 12 months, this garage has used 7,350,000 liters of fuel to actually keep running off the road.
Oh, wow.
6,000 liters of that DPM chemical-based emissions.
It's 10:18 now.
This garage is 56
Wow.
Take some
Look,
pictures.
there's the bus.
Bus wash. Is that the bus wash?
No.
No, wheels, the wheels, the wheels.
Well, personnel.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Are the buses? That's 10, that's 20, that's 14.
Are you having fun, Kaya?
These are just buses, Maya. Do you see the buses, Mom?
I do. There's so many of them. Are they getting repaired? Oh, we're going to stop number. Look at stop number 60.
60 days. So they're getting thoroughly inspected. And we're changing
Bus.
oil.
Shampoo inspected.
100 kilometers, but it turns out to be roughly every 6 weeks.
Wow.
Here, those units comes in for fully.
It's 10:19.
Which is the Ministry of Transportation Material Inspection. So your
It's 10:19 now.
Yeah, it's gonna be 10:20 now.
So we're getting a tour of
It's
the
10:20.
garage. And Kaya's interested
facility,
in what time it
everything
is.
is fully automated.
So this is a
All
really
the
big
sensors
hit.
for oil and fuel and all that is all electronically controlled. The question the bus will be around $800,000 once it's all set up with the announcement feature, the print box, and the printer. Roughly is shy of $800,000. The price of this garage is $100 million. And you can see we have a series of buses. We got the 60-footers and the double-deckers. Both these have four facilities, which carry the hyperbuses and the
Yeah, there's lots of buses there, aren't there?
overall, there's a fleet of, if I remember right, 936 buses.
That's the entire fleet?
Aren't you paying attention?
It's hard to hear.
Double-deckers are actually from England.
Actually, for England. Another tour?
No, we're gonna go through the car wash.
Oh, yay!
Really?
I
We're
think-
going in the car wash
I
next?
think so.
That's awesome.
Cool.
That's pretty cool, no, Kaya?
Yeah.
We're gonna get a car wash. Is it a
Bus
car
wash. I think it's a bus wash.
I think so. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so.
Double decker wash.
Could you please come
Yeah.
beside me? Is it
Right now, we're entering the downtown. That's where they get fuel, wash, check all the levels, and fuel.
We're turning.
It takes unit about 120 liters a minute. So something that has up to a head 80 bags of
Please sit beside my
it would take roughly about 30 seconds to
Yo.
fill up the truck.
I play with you. Just go to that team.
Take a picture of this one.
Pictures
You
of
ready for a car
Take your
wash?
flash off.
You ready for a car wash?
La la la.
This is Phoenix Island. I'm joking
We do have a series of buttons called the smart button. Each time they process the countdown, we start right now.
Oh, this is the watch right here.
Every data from the bus gets downloaded, which
Green
means
light.
the RPM, the speed, temperature of the bus.
Let's go. Light is green.
And this bus water supply by 30%.
Look at that big toothbrush. Is it me?
Look, we're facing up the car wash.
Right, Karen? What time is it again, Karen?
It's 10:20.
Oh, awesome.
An average bus takes about 450 meters.
Still 10:23?
Yes, yes, it is.
Oh, we're getting spring.
We walk on roughly about 30 double deckers a day, and the rest are down at night.
Did you use any soap?
They're probably saving on resources because they're washing the same
Same bus again and
same
again.
bus.
and again.
Exactly.
That was fun. That was fun.
Or they may just not use soap.
Maybe.
We're
washing
going
them
back
more often.
there for wash.
Yeah, I got washed. Pretty sweet, huh?
On second temperature, we use water
It's
bus every
technically
second
full
day to
now.
clear water.
Oh, it is. You're right.
Take with
It is 10:24.
We're gonna be after now.
I don't know. What do you think?
It's 10:20. It's 10:25.
Yeah. It's backing up, isn't it?
It's nice, basically. But can we go to the